We added another word. We added the word focus. So having a vision ultimately helps with focus because vision, and when we say vision, I'm not talking about a week vision or a 30-day vision. I'm talking about minimum of a year up to 3 years. So we're talking about a vision for your company. And that vision helps with alignment and gives you direction, which helps you focus. All of those words that Mike just used, Shannon just used, they're all predicated on vision. Vision starts all of those. Jamie, what should I focus on? Steve, what should I focus on? I don't know. Where is it you're trying to go? Isn't that always the first question you ask? Patient says, can you help me? I don't know. What is it that you want? Has anyone ever asked that to a patient when they get, or to somebody that gets pulled over at a party and, hey, my shoulder's hurt. What do you think's going on? Can you help with that? I don't know. What is it that you want? I want it to feel better. To do what? To play tennis. Oh, so you want to play tennis. Now I know what you want. Now there's a vision. There's an outcome. A vision is an outcome. It's a little larger of an outcome, but it's an outcome. So we have this idea of vision. We have this idea that vision allows us direction, allows us focus, helps us put the odds in our favor. It's not going to guarantee success, depending how we define success. But obviously, there's more components to ultimate success, but it's sure going to put the chips in our favor versus not having a clear vision. I can guarantee if you don't have a clear vision that your success is not going to be the same. You can still be successful. I just don't know how you would measure it if you're not sure what exactly it is you want. So creating a vision is creating wants, desires, things that you see. So is a vision real or is it made up? Who wants to take a shot that hasn't spoken yet? Some of you quiet cats. And by the way, let's welcome Joe King, Joe Sighting. Joe, what's your take on it? Let's bring you into this conversation. Bring your insight. Is it real? If you are guys, some of you are old enough, is it live or is it Memorex?